We are going to learn hygiene and cleanness. Okay. See the picture. What is the first picture? Brush. Yes. You should brush your teeth daily. Yes. Atvik, you brush your teeth? Yes. Daily. Yes. Next, what is the picture? Take a bath. You should have bath daily. Next, wear clean clothes. You should always wear clean clothes. Next, eat healthy food. What is this? Eat healthy food. You should always eat healthy food. Yes. Healthy food. Yes. Next, comb your hair daily. Comb your hair. You are always combing your hair? Yes. Okay. Next, cut your nails regularly. Weekly once you all have to cut your nails. Okay. Next, cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. See here. All of you see here. When you have cough, when you have sneeze, see here. You should always cover your mouth. Always you cover your mouth and cough. Okay. Wipe your nose with handkerchief. When you have cough or cold, you have to do like this. Do like this with kerchief only. Next, you don't stuff your food in your mouth. You should not. Yes, listen. Atvik, listen. Sarvesh, listen here. You should not stuff your food in your mouth, okay? அப்படியே கடகடகடன்னு சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. பொறுமையாக மென்று அப்படி சாப்பிடணும். மென்று நல்லா டீத்தால் மென்று சாப்பிடணும். Okay? Next, do not place your elbow on table. You are always placing your elbow on table, no? You should not place your elbow. Don't do like this. Okay? Next, don't talk with your food in your mouth. Don't talk with food in your mouth. வாயில் சாப்பாடு வச்சுக்கிட்டே பேசினா என்ன ஆகும்? அடுத்தவங்க மேலே அந்த சாப்பாடு படும்ல. இஸ் திஸ் குட் ஹேபிட் ஆர் பேட் ஹேபிட்? Bad habit. Okay? Do not play with food. Sit down. Do not play with food. You always throwing food is a good habit. Playing with food is a good habit. Bad habit. You should not play with your food. Okay? Chew food with mouth closed. You have to chew. நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? நல்லா மென்று சாப்பிடணும், நல்லா கடிக்கணும் சொன்னால சாப்பாடை. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? வாயை மூடிட்டு நல்லா கடிச்சு சாப்பிடணும். Sit straight while eating. Always sit straight. All of you sit straight, all of you. While eating, place the napkin on the lap. While eating, place the napkin on your lap. நம்ம சாப்பிடும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம மேலெல்லாம் சிந்தோம்ல, மிக்சரோ ஃப்ரூட்ஸோ வெஜிடபிள்ஸோ நம்ம மேலே சிந்தாமல் இருக்க நம்ம என்ன போட்டுக்கணும்? நாப் போட்டுக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, வாஷ் யுவர் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் பிஃபோர் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் ஈட்டிங் ஃபுட். You always wash your hands before and after eating food. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Sarvesh, okay? Say, see me. Okay? Okay? You all follow this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Good.